this video is a continuation of the Ben Lomond loop video. It starts off from Rossarden. I just captured some video of some deer. I think I saw 3 deer just running loose in someone's front yard in Rossarden. Overall on this particular loop around Ben Lomond, I saw about 7 or 8 deer. 3 in one location, a couple of places with 2 and a few single ones. A bit unusual. I do often see 1 or maybe 2, but to see 8 in one day was a bit unusual. So this first segment is just a shot of riding through Rossarden. Yes, Rossarden is known for its tin mining history. The Aberfoyle Tin Mining Company that ceased operations, I think, in 1982. On the outskirts of Rossarden, there's a huge pile of mining waste from tin mining operations.
The walking track here, I've never been on it. It's Ben Lomond Plateau, 2 hours. So it's a fair hike up to the plateau from here. Built about 1910. So if I was feeling fit one day, I should go and do it. Nearly 3 o'clock. It's very chilly in the shady side here. Just over here we've got East and West Tower Hill.
A few days after doing the Ben Lomond loop, I went back out, this time with the drone, because I wanted to capture the East Tower Hill fire lookout, which I did, but it didn't end well, as you'll see. So I'm now in the market for another drone, I think.
A lot of dead plantation timber in here. I don't know if it's a fire or a disease. Sometimes we get some kind of disease and they die. But anyway, there's a bunch of dead stuff right here. Taking the switchback road down to Mathinna.
This little switchback's a fun little ride. It just comes down from this ridge, down here. There's quite a steep drop off on the left hand side as you're coming down, so you need to be careful of not getting in loose gravel near the edge. At the bottom it runs along past some old mining activity, and then it just comes into Mathinna down here.
there. 4:15 and getting chilly.
After leaving Mathinna, I followed Guns Road onto Roses Tier Road, then followed Roses Tier Road down towards Blessington. Going down Roses Tier, there's a good spot to turn ABS off and practice some rear wheel steering. That's coming down this section here. It's a really nice ride. So what better way to end a ride around Ben Lomond than to call into the Ben Lomond base camp. It's just a cafe and equipment hire place. You can get snow chains and hire clothing and Ben Lomond base camp. I'm going to see if I can get a coffee. Park passes and that sort of thing, but best of all, good coffee at the foot of Ben Lomond, just to the entrance of the park. So that's what I did. Ben Lomond Base Camp Cafe. They're not doing meals right now, but they will be when winter gets going. So I've just got myself a cappuccino. Pretty nice little spot here. Got a few barrels, they've got a deck, they've got outdoor picnic tables, bikes over there, and this corner is the turn off going up to the top of Ben Lomond, which has had a bit of snow over the weekend. That road there is the Camden Road that goes over to Myrtle Park, Myrtle Bank area.
Now this is the turn off to Englishtown where I started the lap around Ben Lomond, so pretty much completed the loop.